Ladies, we're gonna be doing a demo on a virgin relaxer. So the first thing we have to do is section your hair into 4 sections, all right? And then you have to use a cream base in order to apply to your scalp so that it can protect it from the chemical. All right, so the first thing we do, we section in 4 sections. And then, can you please pass me the cream base, please? All right. So you're gonna start from the bottom. You're gonna start from the bottom. This is where you're gonna start. You're gonna start from the bottom with your base. And you're gonna put it right here on the scalp. Also, you're gonna be wearing a glove before you start. Always put your gloves on. You can always double, just in case your gloves break, because it's chemical. You want to make sure you protect yourself. All right. So for me, you don't have to use the bottom. You can also put your base in a bowl, and you could use what? You could use your fingers and apply it. So you could put it in your finger bowl and then you could take your time. You have enough of the cholesterol and the conditioner. And that is what we use for the perms. All right. End papers should extend beyond the ears end and sides to keep them smooth and straight. Prevent fish hook, hair that isn't bent up at the end, and allow for swelling along the hair strands margins. Like the rest of the hair strands, the ends need room to expand as part of the perming process. Do not bunch them together on the end paper. Instead, ensure the ends are lying flat, smooth, and naturally spread across the paper. All right, so if you don't lay the ends of your hair properly on your end paper, you're gonna have a fish hook. All right, as it demonstrates. Let me see if I can find it. It was in the previous, and it's also in your book. The book end is really secured, and instead of using 2 paper, you just fold your book end in half, and then it will be, the ends will be secure at the back and the front of the ear strand. So we'll be doing the book end. We can also go through the double and the single, but the book end is the most secure for me, at least. All right.
Gently shampoo the hair, not the scalp, before perm service. If perm solution drips into the client's eyes, thoroughly flush the eye with clean water. Apply protective cream around the hairline, neck, and the ears. Apply cotton around the hairline. Move the curl out position in case it's longer than weeks. Wrap the hair with appropriate font size for the desired curl size. Have in mind the perm design and how you should use it. Have in mind the perm effective body for even semi-permanent or temporary hair color.
Non-oxidative, sorry.
Oxidated. Or temporary hair color right after the.
All right, Sophia.
Now that you've studied the chemistry of permanent waving, learn how to wrap different perm rods, more creative wraps and patterns, and understand the necessary safety precautions, you are well on your way to conducting a professional.
Alright, so as you know, you're gonna be going from top to bottom behind your ears. And make sure that the side is the same size. It's gonna be behind your ear.
She's supposed to be up. Shit, here. Okay, camera.
Alright, so remember to always use the roller at your side. Always use your tape. Alright. Measure right there, and then it's gonna be a section right there. Alright. And then for the top, and use both your sides as your guide. And then the dolly is not human, so wave here is kind of different from ours. Alright, just so push it right there. Alright, ladies, so your next section will be the middle section. And I'm sure you guys know. Can you tell me where you need to go for your next parting? Ear to ear. Thank you. So you're gonna, and you know, the doll here is not the same as ours, so it's kind of hard. So you have to evaluate your own sections. Yeah, in 9 sections. Yes, ma'am. So you see how the doll head is shaped? It's really different from ours with the ear to ear. So we go down here. Because if we should go up here, the section is going to be, if we should start here, it's going to be very small. So we have to determine the section. Find that your parting is not even, you can always go back and fix it before you start rolling. All right. always have your rods open. Always have your rods open and ready, and your end papers. All right. So I want you guys to pay attention for. All right. So we're not gonna be doing it too wide. All right. So you're gonna make sure you have clean partings so the hair is not all over the place. Okay, Bree. And Bree's gonna be trying which book end you're gonna be using, the book end or the
I'll try the book.
the book end. Here you go.
Because the other way, I wouldn't have been able to
Go in
get the rubber band around my hand.
Yeah.
Holding it the other way.
And then we use that little stick that we were talking about. We don't have it here. You see how crooked it is? We can slide it in. Yes, just like a book, like this. That's okay.
I saw a little earlier.
Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go hold it and pull upward. Go up a little bit more till the end. Stop. Wait before you roll. Alright. Nice and moist.
No, the way I was like, I'm saying, I was like, oh, that was some shit.